Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Marks. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In this section, we are going to see how trigonometry is used to find the heights and distances of objects without actually measuring them. Here we have few problems, and the first of which is find the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower of height 10√3 meters. All these problems are based on angle of elevation. So this is the diagram. Let us assume that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point 30 meters away is theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So 10√3 by 30. So we get √3 by 3, which is 1 by √3. We know that when theta is equal to 30 degree, we get tan theta is equal to 1 by √3. So which implies theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. The second problem we have is a road is flanked on either side by continuous rows of houses of height 4√3 meters with no space in between them. A pedestrian is standing on the median of the road facing a row house. The angle of elevation from the pedestrian to the top of the house is 30 degree. Find the width of the road. Now let us assume that the width of the road is x. Given that the angle of elevation of the top of the house from median is 30 degree, tan 30 is equal to 4√3 which is the opposite side. So 4√3 by x by 2. Since the pedestrian is standing at the median of the road, so taking 2 to the numerator, which is in the denominator of denominator, we get 8√3 by x. So 1 by √3 is equal to 8√3 by x. So x is equal to 8 into 3, which is equal to 24 meters. Therefore, the width of the road is 24 meters. Now let us see the next problem. To a man standing outside his house, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a window are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the height of the man is 180 centimeters and if he is 5 meters away from the wall, what is the height of the window? Here this is the height of the man, which is given to be 180 centimeters, and this is the window, which is of height h, and it is x meters from the ground. So given that the man is 5 meters away from the wall, which can be taken in centimeters, which is 500 centimeters. And the total height is h plus x. Now given that angle of elevation to the top of the window is 60 degree and bottom of the window is 45 degree, we have tan 60 is equal to opposite side is h plus x by 500. Tan 60 is √3, which is equal to h plus x by 500. So we get h plus x is equal to 500 √3. Now let us consider the smaller triangle with angle of elevation 45 degree. So tan 45 is equal to, here the opposite side is x by adjacent side is 500, tan 45 is 1, so x by 500, which implies x is equal to 500. Let us mark it as 2 and this equation as 1. Substituting 2 in 1, we get h plus 500 is equal to 500 root 3. So h is equal to 500 root 3 minus 500. Taking 500 outside, we have 1.732, which is the value of root 3 minus 1 within the brackets. So we get 500 into 0.732, which is equal to 366 centimeters, which can be converted into meters as 3.66 meters. Therefore, the height of the window is 3.66 meters. Hope this session was interesting. For much more, please subscribe to the channel Samad for Maths. Thanks for watching.